Today, I have a very special, almost new modern Craftsman home to share with you. With its prime location, strolling distance to historic downtown McKinney, you'll enjoy easy access to shops, restaurants, and community events. Built in 2023, this almost 2,600 square foot modern Craftsman home features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and luxury finishes, including a custom bar and multiple outdoor living spaces. The primary bedroom is located on the first floor with ensuite bath and custom walk-in closet. You'll enjoy the large island, which opens up to the entertaining area for entertaining with your family and friends. And look at all this light in this beautiful room. I wish you could smell this home. It is so new that it smells like fresh wood and fresh paint. One of the bonus features of the second floor in this home is this area right here. You can use this for a second office or a play space, and you have your own Romeo and Juliet balcony out here. With so much to do and all the fun to have in this amazing area developing as we speak, how could you not love moving to downtown McKinney? For the latest on all of our newest listings, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel.